can think of one way in my brain place, yo. Olive? Whoa. Listen. Is that really sound check? Could there be one more song? Well, maybe someone dropped a drumstick. Actually, I think I see Danny D. That's him. No, wait, it's very dark. Now light up the stage again and play one to take us home. We just did.